Hello dear friends. Today we decorate a cake with gerberas and 5-leaf leaves. We will decorate with protein oil cream. This cream is very convenient because it can be prepared in advance. You can also prepare flowers from this cream in advance and freeze. And the next day start decorating the cake. I hope many of you will like this cream. We will make flowers first. They should stand in the freezer for easy attachment to the cake. Add a little pink dye to part of the cream. Add lilac dye to the other part of the cream. For the gerbera core, paint the cream brown. Flowers will be planted on food parchment. Put a little cream on the carnation and glue a square of parchment. We will make a small smile with a gerbera. Friends, my channel is just developing, so I really have every subscriber. I will be very grateful if you subscribe. The gerbera petals should lie completely on the parchment. This is necessary in order not to break the flower in the future. We apply the petals in 2 rows, overlaying them a little on top of each other. Fill the core with a brown flower. We plant lilac stamens around the core. We send it to the board. Add a little white cream and lilac dye to the remainder of the pink cream. Add more lilac dye to the remainder of the lilac cream, to darken the color. I made 12 gerberas in stock. We send them to the freezer for about 1 hour. A small rose will be used to make a 5-leafed leaf. We also send them to the freezer. The cake itself is white biscuit. Its diameter is 18 centimeters. In an interlayer custard buttercream. Take it out of the freezer and align. Add green dye to part of the cream. The leaves will be made with a leaf nozzle. We will draw flower stems with a bag with a thin hole. I made markings where the stems will be located. We draw the stems of different heights. We plant the leaves. Now we will plant the lavender sprigs. Meanwhile, the gerberas are well frozen. We get them out of the freezer. We glue the gerberas and press them down a little. We will plant additional leaves to plant a 5-leafed leaf. Then I decided to plant a few branches of lavender. Add a little yellow dye to the remainder of the green cream. Here we will plant several flowers with such a nozzle. We will also plant a few lettuce leaves. Friends, if you liked this video, put your likes and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.